In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove members in Todoist. This is really useful if you're managing shared projects and need to tidy up your workspace by removing people who no longer need access, like former collaborators or teammates who've moved on to something else. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you know exactly where to click and what to expect. First, open Todoist and make sure you're logged in to the correct account that owns or manages the shared project. Once you're in, look toward the upper left area of the screen for your profile. Depending on your device, this may appear as your profile picture, your initials, or a small user icon. Go ahead and click on that profile section to open your account menu. From the menu that appears, you'll see several options related to your account. Find and click on Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage different aspects of your Todoist experience, such as your account details, preferences, and importantly for us, your people or team settings. Inside the settings area, look for the section labeled People, or something similar, usually listed in the left-hand sidebar or as a tab across the top. Click on People. This section is where Todoist shows you a list of people who are part of your shared projects or workspace, along with their roles and access. Next, in the list of members, look for the person you want to remove. To the right of their name, you should see a small arrow or drop-down icon. Click on that arrow to reveal more options related to that specific member. This is usually where you can manage their permissions or remove them entirely. Once that small menu opens, look for the option that says Remove Member. Click on Remove Member. Todoist may ask you to confirm that you really want to remove this person, since this action will revoke their access to shared projects and tasks associated with your workspace. Confirm the removal, and Todoist will update the member list accordingly. After you've done this, it's a good idea to quickly review your remaining members to make sure everyone who still has